Hello students. So in our previous video session of day 1 we have seen construction of quadrilaterals type 1, that is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. So today we will see the construction of quadrilaterals of type 2 when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given in the question. Okay, so let's begin exercise 4.2. So question 1, here it is given, construct the following quadrilateral. Construct the following quadrilateral in which there are 3 questions. So first one I am taking here. So we have to construct quadrilateral LIFT lift. The dimensions are given as Li equal to 4 centimeter, comma IF equal to 3 centimeter, comma TL is given as 2.5 centimeter, then LF is given 4.5 centimeter, and IT is given as 4 centimeter. So as in previous questions, we will have first the rough figure part. Okay, so here I am separating a column. So here we will have rough figure. Okay, so in the rough figure, first we have to construct a quadrilateral LIFT. So a quadrilateral is a figure with 4 sides. I don't know, I am just drawing a close polygon of 4 sides and naming clockwise I am doing LIFT. Okay, so this is the first thing which we have to do in the rough part. Okay, then according to the measurement given, we will place the measurement over here. Okay, so Li is of 4 centimeter. So Li is 4 centimeter. IF is 3 centimeter. IF it is 3 centimeter. TL is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, TL. LF, that is L2F, it is 4.5 centimeter, and IT, that is from here to here, this is IT is 4 centimeter. So whenever we will have this type of construction, what we have to do? See, first we need a base. Okay, so here base is IF, it is of 3 centimeter. So construction part I am starting. Okay, so in the construction part, what we have to do? First we have to draw. The simplest thing is, either you keep this rough figure in such a way that the unknown side is placed in the upper part. So this figure will somewhat look like this. Okay, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप, so उससे easy हो जाता है, right? So we will do that only. The unknown part is kept in the upper part. So this will be TF. Okay, and rest all are known. Okay, rest 3 sides we know. So I am writing is, okay, LIFT. Okay, so Li is 4 centimeter, IF is 3 centimeter, TL is 2.5. Okay, and IT is 4.5. So IT I am drawing here, this is 4.5 centimeter, and FL is, sorry, IT is 4 centimeter. Okay, and FL is FL ले लो या LF ले लो, the same thing, it is 4.5 centimeter. So why I did like this? Because the construction part of the figure will be easy now. See, first we will draw a base. Okay, so base is IL, that is of 4 centimeter. Okay, so I am drawing it. Okay, so a 4 centimeter line named as IL. Okay, IL is 4 centimeter. Then from IS center and LS center we will draw arc and first try to construct the point F. Okay, so from IS center we need an arc of 3 centimeter, and from LS center we need an arc of 4.5 centimeter. First we will construct this triangle. Okay, see this one. So from IS center we will cut an arc of 3 centimeter. Okay, so from IS center an arc of 3 centimeter. Then from LS center we will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so from LS center an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc. Okay, at F. So this point will be F. Clear? So steps we will write. So first step is draw IL equal to 4 centimeter. Then second step, taking IS center, draw an arc of 3 centimeter, and taking LS center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc at F. Okay, so this much we have done. Now we have to join IF and LF. Okay, so third one is join IF and LF. Okay, so we will join IF and LF. Okay, next what we have to do, now we will construct this triangle. Okay, so we will, from I we will take 4 centimeter, so we will get an arc over here. From L we will take an arc of 2.5 centimeter, so we will get the point T. Okay, from I 4 centimeter arc. From I we will construct an arc of 4 centimeter. Okay, and then from L we will construct an arc of 2.5 centimeter. So from L an arc of 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so the point of intersection will be T point. Okay, so the same thing we will write in steps. Okay, so step number 4. Okay, taking IS center, draw an arc of 4 centimeter, and taking LS center, right, draw an arc of 2.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc at T. Okay, T is the point. Now we have to join IT and LT. Okay, so see, join IT and LT. So we will join. Okay, LT we have joined. Okay, and IT also. Okay, so we can see the quadrilateral is not complete right now because it is open from this side. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to join FT also. So next point, sixth point will be join FT. But what you do, you join FT by dotted lines. Why dotted lines? So it will show that this FT is not given to you, right? Rest all sides were given to you. Okay, देखो ये side ये साइड आपको दिया हुआ है, ये दो डायगनल्स आपको दिए हुए, दिस साइड इज नॉट गिवन टू यू इन द मेजरमेंट पार्ट. ओके, so that is why we have joined it with dotted lines, just to show that this is not given to us, we have just joined it. Okay, and the last will be LIFT is required quadrilateral. Okay, so here measurement we will write LT is 2.5, IT is 4 centimeter, LF is 4.5 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this completes the question. Okay, as I told you, whenever this type of question will come, okay, the unknown side you try to keep in the rough figure itself in the upper part. Okay, unknown side को upper part में रख दो, रेस्ट ऑल जो 3 साइड्स आपको पता है वो कुछ ऐसा रख लो. ओके, सो 3 साइड्स एंड दिस 2 डायगनल्स विल बी गिवन टू यू in the questions. Okay, so again the same thing I am telling you, rough part and construction part you have to draw with pencil, and the steps you can write with pen. Okay, clear?